Hey, I hope my mic is fixed. Really do. I'm sorry about that. As you can see here, looks like we are definitely have closed above the 200-day moving average. The new day begins at. It did begin at 000000 UTC time. It is almost 2 hours after that time, February 9th. And this is our current bar. It just puts an arrow over here to show where we are today, right now, actually. And this new candle has formed from this high. We've been going down, and it's really, really interesting to watch. Wouldn't you agree that the price is coming back down? If we were only to sell up here, I want to see price push past this point right here. Right here, that point that you see right there. Yeah, I want price to go higher than this point right here. Which I might, oh Lord, I suck, right? Yeah, okay. We all make mistakes, right? Can't never call a bottom either. Hey, I got a stupid magnet on. Let me change that. All right, here we go. I can't believe I get called so much when I'm doing a video. It's funny. What's up? What's up? You in the house now? You had to call me? Your mom was looking for you. Where is she? Go look for her. She's in the house. I hope she's not outside. You should have told me you were going out there. It's dark. Hey man, when you get things, when the chart's blowing up like that, you can't really do anything. Interesting. 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 I just want to move it. Is it locking up? Look, it's crazy. Anyways, what's going on now? What should I do? What should I do? Pull that down to 90. All right, so yeah, I guess that's what I wanted to. Sorry about that. Hello? Hello? He's in the house right now. I'm in the middle of a video. About to show off my bot. Yeah, all right, look, that's what I want to do. Here it is. Bam, where are we at right now? Let's see. It went long right here. And right now, I would say this is a negative space right here. It seems like it always goes out of profit, then goes into profit, and then it closes while it's in profit, which is what I would do, if I could watch the charts 24/7. Gain, contracts, gain, draw. We want to put this as a loss right here for now until it comes back and returns above 8,229. Since that's where it at last went long. Just keeping track of this stuff. Oh, whoa. Whoa, look at that. That's long, huh? All right, bam, bam. Let's pull that in. Let's pull this in some too. I'm getting technical difficulties on this chart today for some reason. This profit right here, this is current strategy that I've revised for the I don't know how many times, but this is BitBull revised strategy, and this one is a little quicker. It's on a minute chart, and what typically does it, the average trade that it makes money from doing is about $66. That fluctuates, and I'm actually forward testing it right now, so this is great information right here because it keeps increasing, and that's great to see. And what it is about 628% net profit, which is, if you start with $1,000, that'll turn it into $6,284 in about 9 days, because this is a 9-day strategy that you see here. These are 9 days. Okay, so every 9 days it's making the $6,000. So yeah, this is a very profitable strategy. Very, 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 very profitable strategy. I'm really impressed with my work. So thank you, everybody. Thank you. I will probably think about selling this strategy. I don't know, because when people start, going heads up with my bot, I feel like they're going to take some of my edge away, and I work on the edge a lot. So I don't want to sell you guys something that has less edge than I have. I'm not going to do you like some of the goblins out there, like Profit Trailer and Gunbot. I'm not going to do you guys like that. I'm not going to turn you guys into bag holders, okay? Unless you're in the long term. Like I said, when it comes to stuff like, Profit Trailer and everything, you become a bag holder. So I don't really believe in that. I mean, no real trader is going to tell you, you need to be a bag holder. Those are probably more long-term bots, like investment bots. I would look at them like that. Like after a year, you probably would be up, but you won't be more up than the person that just decided to buy and hold for the whole year. Okay, because you're trading in and out. It's going to be trading in and out. You're going to be losing money. You're going to be holding bags, and you're going to be buying shit coins that are probably going to be dumped on you. Okay, even further down. So you're going to buy more at the bottom, which is crazy. And I feel like those companies are taking advantage of the users, and they just want an easy way into the bot world, because they figure, oh, if I have a bot that they have no real full control over, that things are going to turn out better for them. One day you may make $1,500 one night, and then the rest of what they don't tell you, what some of the YouTubers don't tell you, is how they're losing profit. And trust me, I had them. I had Profit Trail, I had a Gunbot. I had to try them out and see what they were about. And I was like, oh, God, misery. That's what it is. But, hey, if you like your percentages and then you get the bigger losses, I don't like losing. So I like to win more than I lose. And that's the whole deal with that. But it's just, one lesson to learn. That's just my opinion. I probably carry some assumptions because I don't know every strategy setting for those settings out there, but I've tried what I believe were the best settings that I was able to get out of it, and I'm highly technical. As you can see, I got my own bot running over here, and I'd like to see this thing close above 82. I'm talking about my bot. I would like to see my bot close when this thing goes above, because it did decide to go. This may turn out to be a loss. This last trade right here. So anything below this line right here qualifies as a loss. Anything above this line qualifies as a gain. I know that's confusing, but it's not confusing to me or to any real trader out there. So if you come here to learn how to trade, you gotta really look at what I'm doing here. So this is the zone. This is the area where it bought right here. I can't blow this up any bigger than this. It bought right here, and then it went in profit. I could have took manually taken it out, but I'm not. That defeats the purpose of me having a bot do it. I could have, exit the trade up here at 1.83%. Right here, it got short right here and went down. As you can see, the arrow went down, and that was profitable. And then it went short right here. It could have just went all the way down there, right? And I could have got more money. But trust me, you don't want to be too greedy. You lose money like that, and that's what I've learned from the previous versions of my bot. That I was being kind of greedy, and it would bring me in terrific profit, but it was not. It would bring me in terrific losses too, so I couldn't bear the losses, so I had to quit speed up the frequency in which it traded. Excuse me. See this strategy. You see this is 68% profitable. Profit factor 2 point some drawdown. This is the fake drawdown. The highest drawdown that I actually was able to draw on the chart was about $900, which is perfect for margin trade, leverage trading over at BitMEX. Looking at this here. Also, something I wanted to touch on about not Profit Trader, but the add-on to Gunbot and the Trading View. They have a Trading View extension where they will send you, whenever Trading View, you can set the alerts up to send you an email, which, by the way, sucks. It gets to you, but by the time Profit Trader picks it up and then shoots out the API call, I swear, at least a minute. Your slippage is going to be at least like, if it's moving, if the price is moving, your slippage is going to be terrible. It's going to be like $100. No one's using that feature. They're probably setting limit orders, which is fine. But if they don't fill, you have to manage it some sort of way. But that's kind of terrifying. People just tweaking their settings over and over, and not really knowing when the thing is going to actually buy or sell for a profit. It must be terrifying. Terrifying. I can take these signals manually. That's what's crazy too. But I'm about to take these signals, so this is interesting. It's fuck to me right here. Look at this though. Look at this thing. It's going down, son. It's going down. When you look at where we came from, though, I've been watching the Bulls and the Bears battle it right here. This is the SPX is down. SPY is down. The VIX is up. That means they're scared as shit. If this is up, that means the market is falling out of bed. And this is the natural stock market right here. These values I'm showing you here. On a daily, it's already fell beneath the last green candle they had. So that's gonna suck really bad. It's below the 128-day moving average. The 200-day moving average is right here, so it's still above it. So this is still a bullish, to me, this is a bullish trend. But they are selling, and that is scaring the shitloads out of everybody. But what's funny is crypto is all green, but Bitcoin is kind of turning red first. Then all the rest of these are green right now, but they're turning green because these are Bitcoin, ETC to BTC. They turn green like that. It's probably good to go buy Litecoin, take your alts and buy Bitcoin but this percentage, 11% QDM, you could get you a lot of Bitcoin with QDM right now. If you got some QDM, go buy you some Bitcoin with it. It's probably not going to be nothing major. But let's look at the VIX. Oh Lord, it's still up there. People were shorting up here, hoping to go back down to 11, but it didn't. That's going to hurt. Ouch. That's going to hurt. They putting a hurting on them. This is the SPY, so people that want to it's the ETF. Because you can't actually trade the S&P, which is SPX, which is the actual value of the S&P, which is 2,581. It fell from. Why can't I move my chart around? What the log? Maybe that's what it is. Oh God, I can't believe it. I can't move my chart around. This is crazy stuff. Let me just click that. All right, there we go. All right, so like I was trying to say, the top was here at 2,800. This is falling out. This is like causing $1 trillion to leave. What is the biggest, most traded instrument or security or whatever you want to call it? Right here, it's the SPX right here, and you can trade these SPY options on it. You can trade options on SPX. You don't want to trade the SPX. It's a pretty big, beastly thing. It's beast. It's beastly. I think you can trade it. Each stock is worth 2,500. So, I mean, I don't know, man. I don't know why they say that. I learned that from somebody that said you don't want to trade it, so don't worry about that. That's just me repeating what somebody else said. Because I trade Bitcoin. Bitcoin's extremely bigger than that, so I don't know why they would say that, but I'm trading Bitcoin. This thing has had a run up though. Look at it. Look how it looks. It falls underneath the 200-day moving average, pops its head back above, falls back below it again. I'm expecting Bitcoin to do something like this. Pops back above it, stays above it. Maybe Bitcoin does some shit like this. Oh Lord. Excuse my language. Look at the volume pickup in this thing. That's crazy, right? You ever never seen it like that? And this is on the daily chart. This is the S&P 500. All right, so let's get out of there. Let's get back into our Bitstamp chart and look at this for what it all is. Glorious. What's going to happen? Is it going up? All right, let me go back to the 1-minute chart. Maybe I should put this on the 15-minute. Okay, I'll put this on here. I'll put it on over here because it's clearer. It's a little bit cleaner. Stay on the Bitstamp. Go to a 15-minute. See what's happening. Let's see what a 3-minute looks like. All right, looks pretty like we're rising. Let's see what the 5-minute looks like. 10-minute. If you guys are new to trading and you want to do a little day trading, trade on the 10-minute. See how that helps you out because it doesn't move all crazy like. Trade on the 1-minute, you're gonna lose your mind. I don't think you should trade anyway. I think you should leave it to the professionals. If you got a lot of competition with, I'm not going to say you're competing with Profit Trailer and I'm not going to tell you you're competing with Gunbot, but you got some real deal uh, hedge fund automation and algorithms that you're dealing with too. And I think they have entered the realm of Bitcoin just because the way it seems correlated. But I could be wrong. A lot of people could be wrong about that for the simple fact. I mean, when SPX turned red, the Bitcoin turned red. And I don't know what to say about that. And when I see everything like moving the same way Bitcoin moves and moving the same way the stock market, those are all, magical bots out there, man, trading everything at the same time. That's all I can think of. My time is best spent trying to learn how to trade with that mega robot, that trade performance bot that they've employed on everyone. I don't know who's got it, but if it has billions, it's definitely controlling the way this market is moving. I wouldn't say it's controlling the way the market is moving, me personally, but it's definitely something's out there making everything move the same way, and it's pretty mind-boggling when you really think about it, especially when you take into account all the traders that are out here trading at the same time. I want to see what this price is going to do. That's why I'm actually looking at it like this. I don't know if my screen is bright enough for you guys. Let me know if it's not. Maybe I can make it brighter. I know I try to fix my microphone. I don't know how this is going to turn out until after it's done. I prefer going live because preparation kills me. I'm a trader, so I got a lot of stuff going on. So when I have to prepare my videos, they do come out better. I probably would get way more likes and way more subscribers, but I can't fit it in my schedule. Come on, Price, what are you going to do? All right, let's go back to my bot side of things. All right, we're going down. We're headed down, but there's a lot of buyers sitting in the books. I don't know. It's hard to say since we came from here. Since we came from down here, I would imagine that we were only, we're going up. Kind of probably like at this angle. right here. Nice little trend line. If it breaks that trend line, we're going down. It'd be nice if I could share this trend line with you. Like, here, share trend line. That'll be tight. All right, 20 minutes to go. 20 minutes down. I think I'll let this go now. But I believe it's going higher. My bot still hasn't gotten out of the trade. It must believe it's going higher. We'll have to see. If it does get out the trade, I'll probably lose about this much right here, like I did over here. My last loss was right here with about 30%. And I got a gain here, a gain right there. It's beautiful, beautiful, and it's redeploying my profit like it's crazy, like 100%. And you can't even, like, I haven't been able to make strategy tests to show what that looks like when I redeploy 100% of my ROI. This is just trading with $1,000. So if it was able to show me my gains plus my gains plus my gains plus my gains, there is a what you call it for, but I don't know how to get to it. We're taking some losses right here though. All right, gotta go. That's it. Pretty much.